Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a graph here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a graph in Smartsheet offers several benefits for managing and presenting data effectively. Although Smartsheet does not have a typical or traditional graph in terms of for example, if you're working here on a sheet, you can not actually insert a chart here on any given editor tools here, like what you are used to when using Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. For example, you don't have the insert option and insert chart. You only have the insert image and a lot more. You see? Now, what I need you to do instead is go to the browse section here. For us to be able to create a graph, instead is we can use the chart widget in a Smartsheet dashboard. All right, this feature will allow us to visualize the data as charts, such as bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to do that. Okay, number one is go to the sheet right now, right click and click on the dashboard portal, or just hover to the upper right corner where you can see the create button and click on the dashboard portal. All right, I'm going to name it as deep left graph for now. Okay, click on it. You see, when you create that, there's gonna be like a small circle chart icon here, and when you click on it, you see it's empty. All right, you can elevate your work with dashboards. Now you can visualize data in charts and surface key metrics, centralize important files, links, and Smartsheet items, embed YouTube videos, Smartsheet forums, and more. All you have to do is click the add widget option, and there's going to be more options for your disposal. You can use the metric, shortcut, report, title, rich text, image, and we're going to use the chart. Okay, now once you've set that up, you're going to be welcome with a pop-up window. You've added one widget that needs to be set up. To save your dashboard, please finish setting up. We're going back to the editing, don't worry. Now here, we need to start by adding data for the source. And that's going to be, you can go to the sheets if you wanted. Or for example, you can go to the archive folder. I'm gonna click on it and just wait for it to load to make sure that you have all the data that you needed when creating a chart. All right. And make sure your data is well organized in a Smartsheet. Charts typically require data in columns, so ensure you have all the numerical values for the data you want to plot. A label column, for example, project names, task categories, and a lot more. All right. So once you're happy with that, make sure it's all correct. All I have to do now is click on OK. If you can't find your data source, just select the search button here and type in the file that you wanted to work with. But I'm happy with this. I'm going to click on OK. Now, you see, if you encounter any problems like this one, just select another data. For example, this one. Okay. Let's use anything here. Maybe this one would work. Now, once you have found the perfect file, all right, all you're going to do is click on OK, and that's how you create graphs here in Smartsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.